Ladies and gents. So at this point, we've already had a bit of a chat. You've gone through and done a few things on here. That's the idea. We have, and every once in a while, I'll just post a video to try to help out with maybe something new or how to navigate or where to go, just in case you're a little bit confused. But because I understand, I've started doing this like a few years ago, and the first time I was confused too. So this is totally understandable. There are a lot of options for you at the top here. You have, at this point anyways, gone through this first set of announcement steps. And remember, this is your go-to stop every single day. You'll start off here. I'll have maybe a little blurb. I might have the number one thing is probably going to be some sort of video just to help get you started. But everything that I have here is in order of the things that you need to do for that day. Okay. So today you're going to watch that video. You're going to complete the getting to know you, which is the form right here. That's the second link. Then it says expect a phone call. I'm going to be calling all of you this morning and talking to you and your parents. We're going to have a Google Meet today at 1 o'clock. And that's the link right there. So the third link. Okay. And it says here, number 5, complete activity number 1, discussion. See the link below. So this is what you're doing right now. You're down here in the discussion. You have clicked that link, right? And that's where you're finding this video right now, is within that link, okay? And this is what comes up. Words to describe you, post, and it has the description there. There's a second part. So there's 2 parts to this here. This is a discussion. So that what this means is you can make a post an idea. Others in the class and myself can see it. Other people can post to that. Now, today we're not going to do that. They can comment on your post, but we're not going to do that part of it today. I just want you to know how to make a post, okay? And posts in for our class, those discussions, they're called threads. So each person makes a thread, and other people can then comment on that thread. Now, today, all I'm asking you to do is to make a thread. That's it, okay? So choose 5 positive characteristics about yourself. It could be like kind, caring, energetic, resourceful, something along those lines, right? Nature lover, you could do that, some stuff like that. And they're all positive ones because that's what we want to hear. What are the really good things that you can do, right? Great skills or gifts that you have. You're going to think of those 5 things, and all you need to do is post a new thread on that. So you click on this button that says start a new thread. And as soon as you click on that, it'll come up and say, hey, what do you want to call it, right? Well, I'm going to say the 5 positive characteristics of Mr. Holmes. For Mr. Holmes, I'll say for Mr. Holmes. Energetic. Yeah, I think I got energy. Yeah, ish. What else am I? You know the word I really like? I like the word genuine. I really like that word. And I'm not sure if I'm great at that, but I like the word a lot. I want to be genuine. I want to be who I am. Okay. I am going to do characteristics. I'm going to put down cyclist because I think that's a big one. I love cycling, but it represents a lot to me. Okay. I'm going to put down nature lover because I love nature. I really do. I'm going to try to get my kids and my students just to love nature as well. And the last thing I'm going to put down is I'll put down caring. Okay, that's what I'm going to put down. So there's my 5, and that's it. That's all I want you to do. Now, notice you can do all these things like tweaking it and doing all that stuff. I'm not asking you to do any of that right now. And then I'm just going to post it. Now, as soon as I post that, hey, that's going to be up now in our class, okay? Which is totally fine. I've just done that. Look, it shows here lots of interesting things. So people can reply to that if they want. I'm not asking you to reply to any of those today. I just want you to post something, okay? The second thing that I'm asking you to do today is to then go to part 2. Okay, so you notice that I've got my post here now, 5 positive characteristics about me. The second thing I want you to do is part 2, which is explore the D2L environment. Okay, and go to summer school orientation for secondary students. Watch a couple of the tutorials and then email me and tell me something that you've learned by going through the tutorials. Now, to get to the tutorials, you click here. And you're going to notice when you scroll down, there's going to be one that says that, Summer School Orientation for Secondary Students. Click on that. Within that new web page, there are going to be a number of little videos and little things that will help you learn what does this whole website, this place help you do. Watch some of them. That's it. find some things you think are interesting. All right. Then click on this little mail button up here and say email. And that's going to take you to another little spot right here. This is your email location. Okay. And all I want you to do is click compose. And you type in my name when it comes up. Hopefully this is still showing. Just wait a second. I'm going to make sure it's still video, still working. Believe it is. Come on now, video. I think this is still video. Anyways, and then you'll type in my name, which is just Aaron. And you notice as soon as you start to type that, my name comes up, Holmes. You can email me. So you put in the subject area, hey, things I learned from D2L. Tell me something in the body. Send me an email. Now, I want you to do that just so you know how to do it. Okay? And that's it. Hopefully that is